Before I get started, be sure to subscribe to Food Network's YouTube channel by clicking right here, right there. Mom's Night Out, it's like Haley's Comet. It's like a beautiful thing to behold, and if you're lucky, you'll see it twice in your life, let's be honest. Holy cow, I want to stick my entire face in that. You want to leave your family with something delicious and easy to assemble. What I love about a slow cooker is that it's perfect for Mom's Night Out nights. Because I'm hitting the road, and all Aaron has to do is swipe in and become the hero.
Guys, who's ready for a picnic?
You know, what am I, chopped liver?
Anyone?
So this is how we're gonna make the pulled pork. This is my favorite kind of meat. We're gonna season it first with a couple of tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of pepper. I know it seems like a lot of pepper, but it's worth it. I promise you it's worth it. Then we're gonna do a half a teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of dried Italian seasoning. This is like one of my go-to seasonings. I always add it to really everything. I feel like it just brings it all together. Little onion powder, teaspoon, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. We have sweet, we have savory, there's salty in it. So it's just a nice little mix that's gonna really enhance that pork at the end. We're just getting all the surface covered. All right, let's get our meat in the slow cooker. Place the pork in the slow cooker. Up next, we're gonna add the liquids. A little bit of chicken stock and a little bit of pickle juice. I did that with no pickles falling, and I'm pretty amazed. This is where the slow cooker works its magic. And I'm honestly not gonna touch this meat for like 8 to 10 hours. It's gonna caramelize in such beautiful places you won't even understand it. Set it, forget it. Aaron will be back later to shred this right in the pot and then serve the kids because, you know, I'm going out tonight. See you never. I love you. Bye. Bye-bye. See you later. Yep. Bye.
Bye.
So what'll happen is I leave the country. Aaron's gonna come in and he'll shred it. He can just shred it right in the pot if he wants to. A couple of forks.
It's so good.
Let it sit another 5 minutes just so all the juices can kind of go back into the meat. He can just get out some coleslaw. I have some buns for them, some baked beans, whatever they want to do.
Natalie, come and eat. Look at this.
The awesome thing about pulled pork is that I get to enjoy it too, with the leftovers. Throw it into some tacos, throw it over some chips, and make you a giant platter of nachos. I think that's what I want to do, actually. Sounds so good. It's nachos. What is not to love? Thank you very much. Guess what I have? Whether it's a fabulous dinner tonight or a really great, fun, easy lunch the next day, pulled pork is that go-to meal that just has you winning all week long. Hey, Will, do you like cheese? Well, that's fun because that's nacho cheese. Hey guys, thanks for watching. For more easy recipes like this, be sure to subscribe to Food Network's YouTube channel.